All right, now we're gonna take the sections, and this is what we're gonna start doing, exposing the brass that's underneath. Hello everyone, thank you so much for returning to my channel. I have another exciting project for you. Today we are going to transform a plain cement or concrete statue into a beautiful piece of art that mimics the look of an aged copper or gold statue with a patina finish. All right, let's get started. And we are going to begin by selecting a statue of your choice. This is one that I remodeled about a year ago. It had been sitting in my garden for many years. And if you want to see how I transformed this beat up statue into a stunning piece of art, I am going to include the link to that video at the end of this video. Also, I will have the materials needed for this project listed on the description of this video. First, we want to ensure that you remove any dirt, dust, or debris from your statue. If necessary, you can use a wire brush or sandpaper to scuff the surface lightly. Please make sure that the statue is completely dry before proceeding. Because we are going for a distressed, weathered look, there is no need for priming. And we are going to start by painting the base layer with a watered down blue teal acrylic paint or any deep blue shade of your preference. This will help us replicate the look of a copper or a gold statue that has weathered over time and has been exposed to the elements, or that has been sitting under the ocean floor for many years and you somehow discovered it and you're bringing it back to life. So after applying the first coat, you want to allow your statue to completely dry for at least 3 to 5 hours. And using the technique that you see me using right here, you're going to take some of the teal paint along with the sea glass, mint, and a touch of brown. And I use some black, but I would refrain from doing that and focus only on the brown because I felt that the black was too harsh. So with a clean dry brush, you're going to dip the tip into the paint and lightly tap the surface of the statue in random patterns. This is going to help mimic the distressed look that we are aiming for. If for some reason you feel you added too much teal, no problem. Go back and grab the sea glass. If you added too much sea glass, that's fine. Go back and add more of the mint. So there is no wrong way or right way of doing this. You're going to cover the entire statue as you see me doing here, and don't focus too much on anything other than creating a distressed surface. For the entire statue, then we are going to take the mint color paint only, and using a small brush, we're going to focus on the deeper crevices and the folds of your statue where we are mimicking the weathered patina look to be sitting at. This is where the patina typically collects more in the crevices and inside the folds of the statue. The statue has weathered, has had rain hit it for years, and has been affected by the elements. And that's the effect that we are aiming to achieve. In this particular statue, we are concentrating on the deeper sections, such as the folds of the veil that you see me doing right here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the magic begins. Well, continues. And it ends with an epic reveal. We are going to take some of this gold bronze color, put it in our plate, and I'm going to take some brown. I have some of this metallic as well. Then I'm gonna throw in here in case this is too gold for me. All right, see that? This is more of a chocolate brown metallic, and this is more of a gold metallic. And we're also gonna take some regular brown, and we're gonna add some in case we want to make it even darker. See that? All right. You're gonna take a brush like this and add some of this. Yeah, absolutely. All right, now we're gonna take the sections, and this is what we're gonna start doing, exposing the brass that's underneath. So I initially started with this foam brush, as you see here, but it soaked up too much paint and felt awkward to use. So I switched to a regular brush instead. And you'll want to brush lightly back and forth over the smooth parts of the statue, focusing on the areas that protrude the most, while avoiding the crevices and folds where the patina look will remain. So for this particular statue, I applied the metallic color to the areas that protrude, such as her shoulders, part of her chest, the tips of the petals of the rose, her chest area, the leaves of the petals. Then I moved on to her face. I highlighted her nose, lips, cheeks, chin, forehead, and the surface strands of her hair, as well as the surface folds of the veil on her head. Once I was completely satisfied, I went back and focused on the deep areas only by taking the mint color paint and adding more to it. It gives him more of a striking look to her. If the gold is too shiny, then you can go back and mix in a little brown and tap or slightly brush back and forth some of that and avoid some of the like the 24 karat gold bright look if you don't want to go for that. If it's too shiny for you, then that's what you need to do. And this is your statue, this is your art, this is your creation. It's up to you how you want her to look.